Secret of life, so I set out on a really long hike. I met a man who ruled over lands. He said, sit right down and I'll show you the plan. The secret of life you can hold in your hand is sweet potato biscuits and sour apple jam. I said, what? There was another man who lived in a tree. He sat up there for miles he could see. I climbed up to ask perchance why. He rolled his eyes and let out a sigh. He said, up here you can spy, yes ma'am, them sweet potato biscuits and sour apple jam. Tastes so fine, sweet potato blows my mind and rocks my cradle. Lemonade, honey, in a ladle, tipped up over my sweet potato. My biscuits, yeah, yeah. Now when I can't walk a mile and people wanna know why I always wear a smile, I'll simply look up, a gleam in my eye and say, it's a yam man, take your hands off mine. The orange bud of love, it is my man. It's sweet potato biscuits, sour apple jam. They taste so fine, sweet potato blows my mind and rocks my cradle. Lemonade, honey, in a ladle, tipped up over my sweet potato. My biscuits, they taste so fine. Sweet potato blows my mind, rocks my cradle. Lemonade, honey, in a ladle, tipped up over my sweet potato biscuits. I didn't say you could have any.